9 science-backed tips to lose weight quickly and effectively. It's no secret that losing weight requires you to burn more calories than you take in, but if you follow these science-backed tips, you can ensure that your body will be primed to burn calories as quickly and effectively as possible. Just remember that these tips aren't a magic bullet, so they won't work by themselves. You have to make sure that your diet and exercise routine are appropriate for your goals in order to see the results you're looking for. 1. Cut back on added sugar. One of the easiest ways to lose weight is by cutting back on added sugar. Added sugars are empty calories that provide no nutritional value, so the less you consume, the more weight you will lose. Avoiding sugary drinks such as soda, juice, energy drinks, sweetened coffee or tea, and anything with added sugar will make a huge difference in your overall caloric intake. Replace these drinks with water or unsweetened iced tea instead. It's easy to cut out 500 calories a day this way. 2. Eat more protein. Protein is the most important macronutrient when it comes to weight loss. Protein helps you feel full, so you won't overeat or binge on junk food. It also provides your body with energy for maintaining muscle mass, which can help keep your metabolism running at a high level. Protein will also help build muscle, which means it could be easier for you to burn calories at a higher rate than someone who doesn't eat enough protein. 3. Eat fewer carbs. When you eat fewer carbs, your body switches from burning carbs for energy to burning fat, says Ryan. And when your body is in this fat-burning state, it's going to be much easier for you to maintain or lose weight. Try intermittent fasting. Studies show that when people skip breakfast before starting the day, they end up eating less at lunchtime. This can lead to an automatic reduction in calorie intake of as much as 10% over the course of a day. 4. Drink water, especially before meals. Drinking water is the easiest way to lose weight. It fills you up, which will help you eat less food. Plus, it makes your metabolism more efficient. Drink water before meals for a quick way to lose weight. 5. Take probiotics or eat yogurt. The bacteria in your gut can have a big impact on your weight, so it's important to keep them happy. Eating fermented foods like yogurt or taking probiotics regularly can help you maintain a healthy balance of good versus bad bacteria. Some research has also found that overweight people are more likely than lean people to have higher levels of certain types of bacteria, including ones called firmicutes and proteobacteria, which have been linked with obesity. 6. Avoid processed foods. Processed foods are loaded with sugar, salt, fat, and additives that can make losing weight a challenge. Pack your fridge with fresh vegetables, fruits, nuts, beans, whole grains like quinoa or brown rice, lean meats like turkey or chicken breast without the skin. 7. Limit your intake of refined carbs. Limiting your intake of refined carbs, such as white breads, potatoes, and sugary breakfast cereals will help you lose weight. Refined carbs are digested quickly, which causes the body's blood sugar levels to spike, but insulin is not released in response. This leaves the blood sugar level high even after eating. In contrast, whole grains produce a more gradual increase in blood sugar levels along with the release of insulin. 8. Fill up on fiber. Eating plenty of fiber is important for your digestive health, but it's also crucial for weight loss. Fiber acts like a sponge in your gut, absorbing water and then expanding as it moves through the intestines. The more fiber you eat, the bigger it becomes. This means that your stomach doesn't have room for any other food when you're full, so you'll feel satisfied on less calories from high-fiber foods. 9. Track your food intake. It is important to track your food intake. By tracking your calories, you can see what foods are healthy for you and which ones are not. Tracking your food will also help keep you on the right path by reminding you of what needs to be eaten each day in order for weight loss goals to be achieved. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe the channel for more updates.